Bonjour, today let's have a look at the verb connaître, which means to know, in 5 main tenses. In French, obviously. Okay guys, I have chosen for you connaître because it's a highly irregular verb. Now connaître means to know. It means to know something or somebody. Please be very careful, it is not savoir, which means to know how to do something, a skill, okay? 2 different verbs, but they both means to know. So I do invite you to have a look at savoir as well, because they both mean the same. Not used in the same context. Let's have a look at connaître, to know, in the present tense. So we want to say, I know. So we say, je connais. Tu connais. That means you know. Il connaît. He knows. Elle connaît. She knows. On connaît. One knows. Nous connaissons. We know. Vous connaissez. You know. Ils connaissent and elles connaissent. Now, be very careful. Now, you can see and sass already how difficult that verb is because the infinitive is connaître. But look how it's changed when we conjugate it with je. But not only that, when you conjugate it with nous, it becomes something completely different. Connaissons. Please remember the nous version of the present tense because it's going to help you conjugate it in the imperfect in a minute. So, let's have a look at connaître in the past tense or passé composé. We want to say, I have known or I knew. So, we do it this way. J'ai connu. Now, you would see that connu becomes something completely different to connaître, okay? It is known as the past participle. It is the same in English as known, okay? You say to know. Known is the past participle. You use it with the verb avoir. I have known, j'ai connu in the present tense. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont, and then you add the past participle, and there you have the passé composé. J'ai connu. Tu as connu. Il a connu. Elle a connu. On a connu. Nous avons connu. Vous avez connu. Ils ont connu. Elles ont connu. Okay, so you've got it here using the verb to have in the present tense and add the past participle in order to create the passé composé. Now let's have a look at the imperfect. Now we want to say I used to know or I was knowing, I used to know. So you want to do that and you want to take the nous version of the present tense. So nous connaissons and you want the beginning of that, connaissent. And you take this and add the special imperfect endings and they are for je, it's est. For tu, it's est. For il, elles, on, it's est. For nous, it's ion. For vous, it's ier. For il and elle, it's est. So let's have a look. Je connaissais. I used to know. Tu connaissais. You used to know. Il connaissait. He used to know. Elle connaissait. She used to know. On connaissait. One used to know. Nous connaissions. We used to know. Vous connaissiez. You used to know. Il connaissait and elle connaissait means they used to know. Okay, see what I've done? I took the nous form of the present tense of the verb connaître, which was nous connaissons. I took the stem and I added my special imperfect endings. Now remember well the imperfect endings because they will come back up in the conditional endings. Okay, let's have a look at the future tense now. We want to say I will know. Okay, now the verb is stays as it is. Je connaîtrai. I will know. Tu connaîtras. You will know. Il connaîtra. He will know. Elle connaîtra. She will know. On connaîtra. One will know. Nous connaîtrons. We will know. Vous connaîtrez. You will know. Ils connaîtront and elles connaîtront. And they will know. Okay, so be aware of that. You've got to know what the stem in the future tense is, but I'm afraid for third group verbs, you've got to know them by heart. It just happened that for connaître, it's just simply connaître. Okay, quite simple in some ways. Now, in order to conjugate in the conditional tense, what you do, you keep the same stem as the future tense, in that case it's connaître, and you add the imperfect endings. Boing! And it becomes je connaîtrais, I would know. Tu connaîtrais, you would know. Il connaîtrait, he would know. Elle connaîtrait, she would know. On connaîtrait, one would know. Nous connaîtrions, we would know. Vous connaîtriez, you would know. Il and elle connaîtraient, they would know. Okay, that's it for me. You have a super guide available to this lesson at learnfrenchwithalexa.com. Subscribe, leave a comment, and bisous bisous.